Good morning, friends. Welcome you all in Angel Broking podcast section. Here we will discuss on commodities and daily technical levels. Yesterday we have noticed that gold and silver prices were closed on a flat note. However, due to sharp appreciation in USD INR, we have seen a sharp correction in gold and silver prices in the yesterday early trade, and after that we have noticed that gold and silver recovered from the lower levels. Currently, gold prices are trading around 48,080 levels, and in international market, it is trading around 70-75 dollars per ounce. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 47,800 and resistance at 48,450. Since the trend is positive, we are expecting again a positive trend will remain same in gold and silver prices. So we recommend buy on dips in gold and silver. For intraday perspective, silver has a strong support at 48,650 and resistance at 49,750. In silver, we are also expecting a bounce back, so we recommend buy in silver prices also. Now let's talk about the base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that base metal were traded on a negative note due to profit booking on higher levels. Copper closed by 0.17% and zinc prices closed almost 1% closed at 162.60 levels. We are expecting some profit booking as all base metals are on overbought zone, so we are expecting some profit booking in the base metal. For intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 458, resistance at 466. Zinc has a strong support at 160 and resistance at 165. Nickel also has a strong support at 974 and resistance at 986. So we are expecting some profit booking may be seen in base metal as all are trading on a overbought zone. Now let's talk about the crude oil prices. Yesterday we have noticed that crude oil prices were closed on a positive note, almost increased by 0.70% and closed at 3024 levels. And international market crude oil prices are trading above $40, which is also a sign of the positive trend. Since the supplies are low and demand is increasing, so we are expecting a positive trend will remain continue in crude oil section. So we are recommending to buy on a dips in crude oil prices. Crude oil has a strong support at 2960 and resistance at 3080. So for intraday trader, wait for lower levels and buy on a dips. Now let's talk about the agricultural commodity. Yesterday we have noticed that agricultural commodity also trade on a sideways trend. However, we will see a correction in edible oil sector, particularly in soya bean. Refined soya and RMC were trade on a positive note. However, if we talk about the spices sector, spices were closed on a negative note. However, we are expecting due to the local demand increasing, we are expecting a positive trend will continue in agriculture commodities. However, the good monsoon and on the time monsoon will also curb the sharp appreciation. Some export demand may be there in spice sector, so we are expecting some positive trend may be seen in spices segment. So we are recommending to buy in jeera and turmeric for intraday perspective. We hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.